What's up, guys? So today it's finally time to tear down the 2 valve and extract every ounce of value I can from this thing. Probably gonna sell it as a complete long block that's got a spun rod. Sell the intake off of it. As you can see, it's got a Typhoon intake on it. That's hard to get. BBK shorty headers. You know, anything else that I'm either A, reusing, or B, can sell. So I'm reusing the power steering pump, reusing the motor mounts, so on and so forth. Plus, I want to tear down and find out what exactly is broken with it from the get-go. So without further ado, let's start tearing this bad boy apart. I apologize for the poor camera angles. My tripod recently broke, so this is what you're gonna be dealing with for the most part. Obviously, I'll pull the camera up, but yeah, first things first, I'm gonna pull the engine harness off and all of this top stuff. That is the engine harness removed. Do. All right, so as you can see, all the intakes and stuff's off. I figured let's take a look down the spark plug wells to see which one we think is the bad one. I don't think it's in the top end. All the cylinders look relatively the same. So, except for this one. This one looks like it's got an extra little layer of oil on the gasket right there. It's hard to see, but my guess, all the other cylinders look relatively the same. My guess is the cylinder that blew up was cylinder number 2 on this side so far, but I don't see anything real conclusive that would make me feel confident about that. So I guess the only thing we can do is keep on tearing shit apart. And just like in the video before, nothing in the top end screams, well, except for right there. As you can see, there's wear on the bearing, but nothing excessive. Nothing that screams to me, oh, these heads are bad. So, I'll pop these suckers off and Whoops. But impeller blades look fine, other than where it's dented because it fell on the floor. Well, this water pump, definitely cruddy and gross, but looks like a fucking water pump, so can't complain. Brand new power steering pump. Starting on the side that I don't think the problem is on. A little fuel in the threads from where I did it, but it looks pretty good. Again, a little fuel on the threads from where I spilt fuel on top, but again, not fouled off. More fuel on the threads, but nothing bad. Again, same, not super dirty. Now, I'm not a betting man, but I'm willing to bet based off what I've seen. It's either cylinder number 2 here, or I guess it goes 1. I don't know the exact layout, but I want to say cylinder number 2 on the passenger side, or cylinder number 4 on the passenger side, if I had to guess. So we'll do those 2 last. Cylinder number 1 looks good. Cylinder number 3 also looks good. Actually, it looks kind of cleaner than the others, but nothing crazy out of the ordinary. Actually, a little fouled off, but about the same as the driver's side, but nothing bad. The last cylinder, the only other cylinder I'd be betting on. Not overly fouled off. I want to say it's definitely dirtier than the rest, but it's not by that much. Nothing that makes me go, damn, it's definitely that cylinder. That is interesting. Well, back to taking the cover off. Well, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. I got the big boy out and pulled the pulley bolt off, but I don't have a puller here, so looks like I'm going to have to go get a pulley puller before I can pull this harmonic balancer off. Oh well. I guess I'll have to go get one and pull it off. Off. That's our front valve cover off. Reluctor wheel, cam gears, oil pump. All of it seems in good shape. Chains are in good shape. Together. Cool. This is the side that I think is a bad side, so I guess we'll find out if anything's wrong here and now. Ooh, those things are stanky. Strong sulfur smells, strong sulfur smells. Something's rattling. What the hell? Oh no. That is a chunk of piston missing. It hasn't really scorched the sidewall. That is interesting. So it was that cylinder that I thought it was. You can kind of see it there. It blew a chunk of the piston out. So I wonder if when I changed the spark plug something fell in here. Or this injector got stuck open. It's one of the two. I'm willing to bet it was the injector got stuck open. All the other cylinder wells look good. This one I can't really see but it's pretty clean. Nothing more than just your standard coating, but that's a yeah, that's not good. That's not supposed to be like that. Head gasket looks fine. So yeah, that is what it is. I mean, I think it was a stuck injector. Oh, cool. Head gasket. Let's look at the top of the head. Alright, so I just picked the cylinder up. There's a chunk of piston. Right there. That's what's making the knocking noise, I bet. No, that's probably a bearing still, but that's probably part of the knocking noise. Other than just your average cup. But yeah, cylinder number 8 is our problem child. That's unfortunate. I don't know if a stuck injector would have caused that. Maybe. I don't think I'm knowledgeable enough to know. Time for the other side. Here goes nothing. Water in the pistons is just from the water wanting to come out of the head. That's a dowel locating pin. I'll let it stay in the right place. Oh, fuck. I believe all that's left is the oil pan. So, guess let's get the let's pull the holding the plug out. The more water I can drain out now, the better. Big metal flakes in the bottom of the oil pan. That's unfortunate. Alright, so we're here. And nothing looks bent per se. Alright. This is our bad piston. So I'm going to undo those 2 bolts and tap the whole thing out. Yep, 11. Fun like a motherfucker. I don't know. There's definitely a bunch of wear markings on it. I don't know if I think my fingernail catches on it a little bit. Definitely doesn't look great. Looks like it lost lubrication. Let's grab my, hold on. I just popped that bearing out by accident. Whoops. It's so close. I just don't want to pop it out too far and have it fall and break even more. That was a mistake. Like that. I didn't think that would come out that easy. Wow, that is wild. Granted, some of this damage may be from me just dropping the piston out of the engine. I don't know why it was fighting me so much to come out. But look at that. Let me just get the screen up so I can see. It is cracked. Pushed down and cracked completely as if it hit something. Wild. I don't know how that could have fucking happened. You can see it in a little bit of a better light. The entire piston is crushed down. Is the sidewall? Was the cylinder okay? No, it's gouged. Down here where it happened, it's gouged right there. Let's flip it over and I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, there's a big gouge on the side of the piston right here. I can feel it with my finger right there. Yeah, so that's why this 2 valve is dead. It blew a chunk of a piston. You can see it better in the light there. Just absolutely crushed it. As to why that happened, I have no clue. Leading theory is one of 2 things. Somehow there was some sort of detonation that caused that. From exactly what, I have no clue. Or when I changed the spark plug, pulled the spark plug out to clean it and put something back in, something fell in it, I guess. I had it out for all of a minute. I pulled it out, cleaned it off, because there was some dielectric grease and stuff on it, put it right back in. I'm at a loss for words, but this engine's toast. I'll probably sell it as a long block, short block, for somebody that's looking to build a 2 valve. Because all the other pistons are good. It's just this one. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Fuck. Well, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment, subscribe, anything. Your support always helps the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.